Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to crochet a cute little Christmas tree. For this project, please prepare 2.5mm yarn, a 2.5mm crochet hook, scissors, and a yarn needle. Your support truly gives us more motivation to create new crochet tutorials. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss our next projects. Now, let's start crocheting the Christmas tree. For round 1, make a magic ring, then chain 2. Work 6 double crochets into the magic ring, then turn your work. Take your time here and keep the ring slightly loose so it's easy to adjust later. Next, for round 2, chain 2 again. Make a double crochet increase in every stitch, placing 2 double crochets into each stitch around. This round helps the tree begin to widen, so count your stitches carefully to keep everything even. Moving on to round 3, chain 2. Repeat 1 double crochet and 1 double crochet increase 6 times. This creates the first layered shape of the tree. Try to keep a steady tension so your stitches look neat and uniform. For round 4, chain 2, work 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet increase, and 1 double crochet, repeating this pattern 6 times around. You should start to see your tree taking shape now. You're doing great, so keep going. Next, for round 5, chain 2, repeat 3 double crochets, followed by 1 double crochet increase, 6 times in total. This round adds more fullness to the tree, so relax your hands and enjoy the rhythm of the stitches. For round 6, chain 2 again. Work 2 double crochets, 1 double crochet increase, and 2 double crochets, repeating this sequence 6 times. This is the final shaping round of the tree body. Once you finish, your tree should look nicely layered and balanced. Now it's time to add the tree edging. Start by skipping 4 stitches, then make a slip stitch and chain 1. Continue repeating a slip stitch and chain 1 all around the edge, working your way back up to the beginning of round 2. This edging adds texture and gives the tree a decorative, festive look, so take your time and enjoy this part. Next, let's crochet the star. For the star, start with a magic ring. Chain 1, then slip stitch into the ring. For round 2, chain 1, make 5 increases into the ring and finish with a slip stitch. Now for round 3, repeat the following 5 times. Chain 4, turn your work, skip 1 stitch, then make a slip stitch, 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, and another slip stitch. These steps form the 5 points of the star. Go slowly here, especially if you're a beginner, and don't worry if it takes a little practice. Finally, let's make the tree trunk. Chain 2, work 4 double crochets, then chain 2 and slip stitch to secure. This small detail completes the Christmas tree beautifully. And that's it. Your crochet Christmas tree is finished. I hope you enjoyed making this project with me. If you did, please leave a comment and let me know how yours turned out. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share this tutorial with your crochet friends. Watching until the end truly helps us create more videos like this. Thank you so much for crocheting with me, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.